Hi, I'm Peter Martin, the Web Doc, and 2020 will go down in history as the year that car buying changed forever. Thanks to COVID-19, consumers are now looking to buy cars completely online and never even visit the dealership. This is going to change how dealers do business. And in this session, we are going to cover a lot of the important topics and things that dealers are going to need to do to improve their sales operation and to adjust to this new buying process. The title of my session is How to Make Your Dealership Stand Out in the Virtual World. In this session, I'm going to cover important topics like what videos you need on your website, how to build a VDP page, or what we're going to be calling in the future, virtual vehicle display pages, at-home delivery and test drives, local virtual delivery, how to stay engaged after you close the deal, and most importantly, how to incorporate videos into your social media to build better online relationships. The goal of my seminar is to give the dealers the tools they need to successfully navigate the post-COVID-19 sales environment.